Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in 10th class, board class. First time you will face the board class. So, in the beginning, we will start with the easy concept so that you feel comfortable. So, in ninth class, you already studied this chapter statistics, but in 10th also it will be used. In ninth, you study calculation of mean, median, and mode. But moreover, you feel difficulty in calculation of median. So, we will start with the median. So first step in median is that we have to write the values in ascending order. We are having two formula for calculation of median. First, if n is odd, then formula is n plus 1 upon 2th term. If n is even, then formula is n upon 2th plus next term upon 2. If we take the example of odd values, like if we total number of values we take 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 9. So first we write in ascending order. Then if this is odd, then we will use this formula here. Value of n is 9. So 9 plus 1 upon 2. This is 10 upon 2th. 9 plus 1 upon 2, 10 upon 2th. It will become 5th term. So we will just check which one is the 5th value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the value of median. Here we will take the case of even. So we will use this formula here. So if n is 10, here you can check n is 10, then 10 upon 2, it will become 5th. Next term will be 6th. So we will check here 5th and 6th term. These are 3 and 3. So we will add this to 6 upon 2. This will be 3. So in this way, we can calculate median for odd values or for even values. Now we will try to find out the mean. Mean is also very easy. We will try to find mean now.